when they find out some man I fuck. I should tell you no.
You know what the fucked up thing about it? The morning, she wake me put on bed and I wait till she tell me so she fuck me.
Yeah. And the one done. Again. So what me I say? Just look up my rascal dead anyway. You know what I say? Big up all of the Jamaican woman them with the big ass, fat punani, stiff breasts, pretty face. Big up all of the Jamaican woman them that put themselves together. Yeah, but know how to take care of themselves. Big up all of the women them that have picnic too. Yeah, big up all of the women that have no picnic. See what I say? Straight. We need to respect and honor the black woman, the black queen. That's what I say. And stop treating them like a bitch. That's what I say. Because we all have to do what we have to do to get our money, our pocket. That's what I say. Straight. Respect is due, no care who. Respect everybody. Yeah, don't play a hypocrite role in a life because whatever you do will come back around on you one day. So I say. So salute to my Jamaican woman them and my young girl them. Straight. Yeah.
Sunday, so me give you the T-bone. Y'all in a Larry stand, y'all a Keystone. Put the name Sunday, so me give you the T-bone.